Tired of drowning in a sea of tabs? Let's tame the chaos and unlock the power of bookmarking in Arc browser. First, saving a website is super simple. When you're on a page you want to bookmark, just look up here in the address bar. See that little star icon? Give it a click. That's your express ticket to bookmarking bliss. Clicking the star will automatically save this website. Now, let's get organized. Press Command-Shift-L to open your library. The command is also the same if you're using Windows. This is where all your bookmarks live. Think of it as your personal digital filing cabinet. To create a new folder, click the three dots at the top and select New Folder. Give it a descriptive name like Travel Inspiration or Recipe Ideas, whatever sparks joy. Now, drag and drop your bookmarks from the main list into these folders. It's like Marie Kondoing your browser. The best part, accessing your bookmarks is lightning fast. Your folders and bookmarks appear in your sidebar. Just click, and boom, you're there. Need to rename a bookmark or change its URL? Right-click on it in the library and select Edit Bookmark. You're in control. And if you have tons of bookmarks, don't worry. The search bar in the library is your best friend. Just type in a keyword, and Arc will find it in a snap. So, ditch the tab overload and embrace the power of bookmarking in Arc. Happy browsing.